In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the coolant reservoir on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Remove the hose off the top of the cap. Lift the reservoir straight up. It sits into a bracket sitting on the side. I'm going to remove the caps off of both bottles. I'm going to pour the extra coolant from the old reservoir into the new one. Install the cap. Line the reservoir up with the bracket. Push straight down. Grab the overflow hose and install it. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.